everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the video that I'm making today is for the Cake Factory Goa, and this is the third time I'm making this video for them, and I can blindly say that I love making videos for the Cake Factory Goa and Janvi, the owner, because I love each and every treat that she sends me. I mean, it's amazing, and I would recommend you guys to order like anything, and I give you the guarantee that the taste will be awesome. So today the Cake Factory Goa has turned 1. It's their first year anniversary. Congratulations! I love your treats, and they have Janvi has sent me this big goodie box, and I'm very excited to try this out. And she has also put up a very cute note for me that I'm going to read out to you guys. It says, "Hey Roma, wanted to present you with this box of sweet treats as a token of appreciation for your support during our first year of business. Hope you enjoy all of it and continue to support and love the Cake Factory Goa. Lots of love, Janvi." Lots of love to you too, Janvi. And of course, my support is there with you like all the time, and you know that because I love all your treats, and you as a person also are my favorite. So let's get into the box. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. When she gave me the box, I screamed in Konkani, but I'm going to say it in English. Like, how much have you given me? Like, look at this. And it smells so good. So I've placed the box on my lap, and I'm going to taste each and every product one by one. Let me see what each product is. First up, the red velvet cupcake. Okay guys, before I taste anything, there is one thing which I always say when I review products from the Cake Factory Goa, and that is there is something different in the frosting and the taste of our cakes that make me love it. And I am pretty sure I'm going to say it today also. You know, I don't know what it is, but it is something that makes it amazing. So I'm going to dive into this red velvet cupcake. I forgot a spoon, so I'm just going to eat it by hand. Don't worry, it's sanitized. And she has also put her logo on top. It's a sugar paste logo. Oh, amazing smell. The frosting is delicious. Yummy. Like, seriously guys, you definitely need to order yourself this red velvet cake from the Cake Factory Goa. It's amazing. Seriously amazing. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I want to taste everything. Next is this hazelnut filled cupcakes. Like, hazelnut filled cupcakes, what can go wrong over here? Yummy. Oh wow, I love hazelnuts on their own, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this. Delicious. I have no words. I love the cream. I've never had such type of cream anywhere else. I mean, on any cupcake. Guys, I forgot to mention that it's filled with hazelnut cream. I think this is going to be my favorite cupcake. It was the red velvet, but now I think it's, and the frosting is different and the filling is different. Okay, it's not the same. So guys, next up I'm going to be trying the chocolate macaron. I love macarons. Oh, super soft. Wow. Like, it's baked perfectly. I mean, perfectly. The next macaron that is over here is mango macaron. I've never even heard of mango macaron. I've just heard of chocolate and the normal flavors, but mango, like what? Okay, I'm so excited to try the mango one.
What? It's filled with mango jam inside in the middle.
Filled with homemade mango jam. I usually don't eat mangoes as a fruit, but I love mango jam. Homemade one. This is homemade mango jam. Definitely homemade mango jam. Like, my mom's gonna love this macaron. So guys, next I'm gonna dive into this double chocolate chip cookies. Rich, they smell rich. It's a very nice, small, cute gift that you can give your loved ones, or a treat to yourself as well. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Amazing, it's awesome, it's superb, actually outstanding. If you pair this up with a warm glass of milk or a chilled scoop of vanilla ice cream, like perfect dessert. Now I'm going to be eating this hazelnut truffle chocolates. My god, it has a Ferrero inside it. It's too good. Moving forward to the best part, the brownie. It's called the chocolate fudgy brownies. Let's give it a try. Smell is amazing. Guys, this is the best brownie I've ever eaten, like anywhere. The best brownie that I've ever eaten.
Someone get me a scoop of vanilla ice cream to go with it. Or you know what? I can enjoy this on its own.
Totally worth tasting. So guys, this brownie is filled with walnuts. It's chocolatey. It has got a very crispy layer on top. It's fudgy.
It's tasty, it's super, fantastic, awesome, amazing, the best.
I love it. Please try it out. I mean, please try this brownie out. Just order yourself a box of these brownies today. There will be a link in the description to order her goodies from, like a link of her Instagram and a contact number as well. So yes, let's move on to the very last item in this goodie box.
I forgot. I just checked. I forgot.
Hazelnut fudge chocolate. Hazelnut fudge chocolates.
I seriously can't believe how can everything be amazing in this box.
What is the secret behind, I don't know, behind all of this? It's amazing. You guys might be saying that Roma is exaggerating everything and all, but guys, I'm being completely honest. Each and everything in this box is a must try. There was a giveaway that the Cake Factory was doing on Instagram, and I was telling everyone, please participate, because you do not want to miss it, because her products, her cakes, cupcakes, chocolates, everything is amazing and I absolutely love it. I cannot choose a single thing in this box that I can call as my favorite because I love all of it. Thank you so much for sending me these products. I hope Cake Factory Goa, gets more successful in this coming year, the next year, and my support is there throughout. And lots of love to Janvi. Thank you so much. Congratulations for your 1 year. I hope it reaches to 10 year, 20 year, 30 year, like forever.
And we get more such boxes.
And we get more such boxes. Yes, thank you so much for this. And guys, those of you who are watching this video, please go in the description. There will be a number or her Instagram. Please DM and call her. Please call her and order yourself this, like seriously. And everything is made with proper she sanitizes like everything, all her utensils, whatever, everything is clean and very well packed. I loved this note. I'm going to keep it with me. I love such small notes. Yeah, thank you. I'm going to see you soon. I'm going to see you guys soon with more such videos. Bye.